didn't remember my back card. I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be an option to diss me. He was in an interview room singing ballad. He ain't on that thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. And I want to ask you, have you guys ever purchased wigs from AliExpress? The other question is, did you guys know UNiceHAIR have a AliExpress? Did you guys know that Unice is on AliExpress? Well, guess what? If you didn't know, now you know. And today, they are our sponsor of this video. So, thank you to Unice for sponsoring this video. By the way, is it Unice or Unice? Because I'm nice. Unice, Unice. Alright, let's go in the box and let's see all the goodies that we received in the box. Wig cap, nails, oh, edge band, a bag to store the wig, and of course this beautiful unit. And today it's going to be a really quick install. I've been showing you guys how to do really easy, simple, quick install of your wigs because I've realized most of my audience to just slip it on, okay? And guess what? This wig already come curled. Look at that, how bouncy these curls are. Okay, okay. This wig is also pre-everything, pre-pluck, pre-bleach. The lace is cut. It's a 7x5 lace, bye-bye knots, wear and go glueless wig with this highlighted color. So we also have a breathable cap going on right here. Of course, there's a comb at the back to secure the wig, and we do have a adjustable elastic band, which by now you guys know. This is removable as well. Like I said, the lace come pre-bleach and pre-cut. I love everything about these units. It already have a middle part, which means we might do the middle part just because we want to make sure that it's a quick and easy install. What I do like is that they already cut the lace, but as for me, it comes rigid. Now, when you melt this down, you don't see it, but I like to go in and take off a little bit more. So we're gonna do that. The curls are super soft, the hair is super soft, and also you don't need to do nothing, add nothing because it is not dry, super bouncy. So I love that. So we're gonna get into this install and see how we're gonna do. Like I said, already pre-bleach. I know you guys seen those knots pre-bleach, okay? The lace is perfect. Let's get into it. I think it's 180 density. I think if it's not 150, it's 180 density. Now you get these, you can use these if you want. I personally don't sometimes. Let's get into this video, guys.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, what is this for this girl? What is love? Love, what is love? Would you believe it if I told you all about it? But how pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. Girls don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that. I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. Yeah. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. You know I won't do that. I'm sorry to say that. Yeah. Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Is your blood? What we see ain't what it seems. Oh, is girl, what is love? What's that? What is love?
I did some baby hair on this unit just because we are gonna go in. I am not gonna cut it, but we are gonna go in and add some wand curls. I feel like I want to add some curls, so we're gonna take a few minutes and put some wand curls in this unit. Let's just clamp this together. Curls in the wig. I'm gonna do my makeup and I will be right back. Love it. It's very light, so I absolutely love it, but we'll be back. Oh, alright guys, my makeup is done. This is the hair, and I can tell you guys I waited probably an hour because I had to go pick up the kids, so the curls are still there. So now we can loosen them, and I am in love. The color is amazing. Ooh, what do you guys think? Look at that. So pretty. Guys, the hairline is super realistic. It just looks like it's coming out my scalp, okay? The color is perfect for the winter time, so you guys need this wig. I love it. I absolutely love it. With the 7.5 parting space and the pre-bleach of the knots. Bye bye knots. Let's make it clear. This wig is also versatile for different hairstyles, so you guys can do it however you want. You don't have to use a middle part, and it's a very simple hairstyle. As you guys see, it's 180 density. It is confirmed, so feels good, looks good. The color is fire. If you guys want to try a little bit of color, if you want to get rid of that boring black wig, this one is perfect. I'm pretty sure it will fit any and suit any complexion, so I love that. You can also use the ear-to-ear tabs if you want, or you can just use the spray. I love it. That's all I can say. I love it. Perfect. Alright, so, and if you guys shop on AliExpress, Unice is on AliExpress, okay? Did you guys know that? Yes. Their store is all over, so you guys can shop on AliExpress for this wig and you will get it. So perfect. I love it. Let's see around the back how the curls came out. Oh, you don't have to curl it. Remember, it came with curls. I just wanted, you know, something a little bit more. Perfect. So make sure you guys check the description. The ear details will be there. The same wig, the website, all the links will be there, so you guys can shop this wig for the holiday, for the new year. You know what? You guys should change up that look for the new year. This color would be perfect. Until next time, guys, I will see you guys in the next one, and thank you to UNiceHAIR for sponsoring this video. So bye. Let's look cute for a second, okay?
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. Is my secret safe? Safe with just you and me. We can't leave it.